everybody, it's January 12th, 2025, and I just finished my meditation. It's a little bit late, it's about 6:20. I had a lot of prayers and meditations and editing and stuff that I was getting done with, and I'm just out here honestly just loving the beautiful sky and the cold, even though I have 3 layers on, so it's more comfy for me. Looking for whoever is willing to show themselves and share their unconditional love. Of the world. I'm experimenting with both my editing style and oh, there's a beautiful flash. Hello, I love you. Would you like to flash again? Are you willing to flash again? I love you, thank you. There's a flash right here. If it's your will, would you like to flash again? Was it you? Oh, thank you so much. This one's flying from northeast to south, or northwest to southeast. I love you, I love you, I love you. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's a flasher and a flater orb. Bless you, bless you, bless you. It does seem a little more grainy. I'm gonna change it back real quick. Peace and love, action. Hello. Okay, we're back. Went back. I tried it at 60 frames per second. Oh, thank you so much for your flashes. I love you. I send you all my unconditional love. Oh, thank you so much for the flashes. Look at this beautiful fading flashing orb. As I said, it was heading from, oh my gosh, thank you so much. This is the first orb of night. Oh my gosh, it's flashing brighter. What was that? Something just flew by. I don't know if it was a bug or if it was Mother. Like, I don't see Mother though. I love you so much. I send you all my unconditional love, all my higher vibrations. We are one. Bless you, bless you, bless you. I send you all of my expanded consciousness, all of my loving energy for you to use to help heal the earth and unify and awaken everybody, expand all our consciousness, raise all our vibrations, and heal Mother Earth through unification. Thank you so much. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Oh, another flash. Thank you so much. I love you. You have a wonderful night. Thank you for showing yourself. Bless you. It's a bit hard to see. The flashes are a bit hard to see. They literally look like they're teleporting in and out of existence. Did I lose it? Is that you? No. Have a wonderful night. Thank you so much. I love you. Bless you. I I've been praying for all the firefighters, of course for Aurora, and all of the family, all of my family that's struggling and suffering. I have family that live close to those fires, so we're praying hard for them. What a wonderful, beautiful first video. I'm sorry the first part of it, I had to switch it back to 30 frames per second. Like, I'd love to get 60 frames per second, but there's too much noise, unfortunately. Unfortunately, with like infrared night vision, like you kind of have to compromise, like lower frame rates give you less noise, and higher frame rates gives you more of that noise. I've been working on my editing skills, working hard on my editing skills. I used to try to pump out 1 to 3 videos a day, but now I'm lucky if I get 1 out a day. I always have to like split videos into multiple parts for Instagram. Are you a plane? Bless you, bless you, bless you, love you, love you, love you. There's looks like a plane, I think, in the flying over Camp Pendleton, yeah. Fly safe, fly safe, fly safe. Thank you, thank you, thank you. What a wonderful, beautiful first orb. I'm gonna do both. I will combine both, even with the noise from the first one, because it was just so good and beautiful, like I have to. I ask everyone, please pray for those people suffering from the California fires. Please pray for the first responders. Thank you so much for your prayers and your love, your unconditional love. That's the open secret that Yahshua was trying to teach us, Jesus Christ, to unconditionally love ourselves and others. And that prayer is also meditation. Meditation is the listening part, and prayer is the speaking part. I love you, I love you, I love you all. Bless you, bless you, bless you all. Here's a beautiful orb flying from west to east. Bless you, bless you, bless you. Love you, love you, love you. Thank you, thank you, thank you so much. I send all my unconditional love to you and my higher vibrations and my unity. Beautiful orb flying over the night sky from west to east, right over my head. I can't see it with my bare eyes. I see it barely with my bare eyes, but very difficult to see. Would you like to flash, if it's your will? It's okay, whatever you want to do. A lot of them are busy working. They're not just flying around for fun. Maybe some of them are, but only on their days off. Love yourselves unconditionally, love others unconditionally. Please meditate. Grounded meditations to connect to your higher self. We are all one. Everything exists within you. Remember who you are. Thank you for watching Orbson's news broadcast brought to you by KORB. Oh, I got a bright one in the sky, a bright flash. Are you still showing? Will you flash again if it's your will? I saw a bright flash in the sky just now. If it's your will you flash again? Thank you so much. I love you. Bless you. A lot of times they will flash just for you. So when you see one flashing for the camera, they are blessing us. Anyways, I love you all. Please bless me with a subscription, a follow, and a like, and a comment, because the algorithms don't support truth and unconditional love and light and unity. I love you all. Bless you all. Peace and love.